Hi guys, Mrs. Zigger back again. Wanted to show you how easy it is to use the voice typing tools in Google. So I've opened up a Google Doc. You can also use this in Google Slides. Since it is a tool, it is underneath the tool heading. So when I click on tools, I can go over to voice typing. A microphone pops up. I have to click it to activate it. It will turn red and then I can start speaking. Hello, my name is Mrs. Zigger and I'd like to go kayaking, period. Okay, as you can see, I paused for a second and then I clicked on the microphone to stop it. Then I have to go back through. It worked out pretty great, as you can see, but names it normally doesn't do so great with, which makes sense. So I'm just going to fix that and I should be good to go. Okay, notice I had to say period at the end as well. And also remember that you can do a search with your voice. So here's just a Google search. There's a little microphone. Dogs. Frogs. Okay, so this is an information on frogs. It was a little delayed, and sometimes that happens, other times it works great. So just a friendly reminder that tool is there for you as well. All right, guys, take care. See you later.